हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक है इन्फेक्टिव एंडोकार्डाइटिस। मींस हमारी जो हार्ट की लेयर होती है उसमें इन्फ्लामेशन बाय इन्फेक्शन। तो डेफिनेशन ऑफ इन्फेक्टिव एंडोकार्डाइटिस। तो एंडोकार्डाइटिस इज ए माइक्रोबियल इन्फेक्शन ऑफ द एंडोकार्डाइडियल surface of the heart. The vegetation is a variable size, amorphous mass of platelet and fibrin in which abundant microorganisms called inflammatory cells are immense. अब हम बात करेंगे एपिडर्मियोलॉजी। इंसिडेंस डिफिकल्ट टू असेंड एंड वेरीज अकॉर्डिंग टू लोकेशन, मच मोर कॉमन इन मेल्स देन in females, may occur in person of any age and increasingly common in elderly. Mortality range from 20 to 30%. Classification of infective endocarditis. So acute and subacute. Acute means affect normal heart wall, rapidly destructive. Metastatic foci, commonly stifle if not treated, usually fatal within 6 weeks. In the subacute, often affect damaged heart valve, indolent nature, and if not treated, usually fatal by 1 year. Next is pathogenesis. In this altered valve surface, animal experiments suggest the eye is almost impossible to establish unless the valve surface is damaged. Next is deposition of platelet and fibrin in non-bacterial thrombotic vegetation, and the bacteremia attached to the platelet fibrin deposit, covered by more fibrin, protected from neutrophils, division of bacteria and mature vegetation. Next is hemodynamic factor, in which bacterial colonization more likely to occur around lesions with high degree of turbulence. Example is small VSD, valvular stenosis. Next is large surface area, low flow and low turbulence are likely to cause IE. Next is bacteremia. Transient bacteremia occur when a heavily colonized mucosal surface is domestic. Dental extraction, periodontal surgery, toothbrushing, tonsillectomy, operation involving the respiratory, GI, GU tract, mucosa, esophageal dilation and biliary tract surgery. Next is the site of infection. Aortic valve more common than mitral. Aortic, in which vegetation usually on ventricle aspect, all three cusps usually affect. Next is perforation, the dysfunction of valve and root abscess. Next is the mitral, dysfunction by rupture of cortical tendon. Next is the clinical manifestation, means symptom, sign and symptom. Fever, most common symptom sign. Anorexia, weight loss, malaise, night sweat, heart murmur, pachynia or skin, conjunctiva, oral mucosa, splenomegaly. Right side endocarditis is not associated with peripheral emboli phenomena but pulmonary finding predominant. Next is pachycia, which are non-specific, splinter hemorrhage, non-specific, osseous nodes, more specific, painful and with metose nodules, and Geneva lesion, more specific in non-painful. Next is the diagnosis. Echocardiography, in which transthoracic echocardiography TTE, in which rapid non-invasive, excellent specific 90-80% but poor sensitivity, obesity, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and chest wall deformity. And next is transesophageal echo TOE, more invasive, sensitivity up to 95%, useful for the prosthetic valve and to elevate myocardial invasion. Next is negative predictive valve of 92%. The next is the essential blood test, in which blood culture, minimum of 3 blood culture. Next is 3 separate venipuncture site, obtain 10 to 20 ml in adult and 0.5 to 5 ml in children. Positive result, typical organism present in at least 2 separate samples. Next is the principle of medical management, in which sterilization of vegetation with antibiotic, prolonged high dose and bactericidal. In the high dose, slow metabolism bacteria due to high density, enhanced decreased sensitivity and bacterial deep inside vegetation. Therapy. Number 1, streptococci, enterococci, which are determined MIC of penicillin, penicillin plus aminoglycoside, and ceftriaxone alone, and vancomycin plus aminoglycoside. Hack group, cefotoxamide, ceftriaxone. In the staphylococci, native wall, flucloxacin, aminoglycoside, and vancomycin, aminoglycoside, and rifamycin. Prosthetic wall, flucloxacin, aminoglycoside, and rifamycin, and vancomycin, aminoglycoside, and rifamycin. In the surgical therapy, indication congestive cardiac failure, perivalvular invasive disease, uncontrolled infection despite maximal antimicrobial therapy, presence of prosthetic valve, endocarditis unless late infection, large vegetation, major embolus, and heart block. In the surgical therapy, hemodynamic status at the time determined principally operative mortality. Next is the complication, in which for etiology, embolic, local spread of infection, metastatic spread of infection, formation of immune complexes, glomerulonephritis, and arthritis. Thank you.